Today is about anatomy. We need to be able to understand how our bodies work. So, as our dancers go through school and start understanding more about the anatomy of the body, we're able to have deeper conversations about different aspects of the anatomy. So, we talk about bones, especially for hip hop. We have to be able to know like where our hips are so we can lock our elbows in and find a balance point. We also talk about lengthening and feeling our joints kind of expand. We also talk about if injuries occur, like breaks in the bones, things like that, how that can impact our body and recovery. When we talk about muscles, we are constantly engaging our muscles for dance. Having a better understanding of what your muscles are, where they are, and kind of how they work is really helpful in understanding the movements you're doing. Knowing when you're contracting and releasing your quads, same thing for like your biceps or triceps, and understanding which muscle groups are what so you can better detail the muscle engagement. We'll also talk about our tendons. Achilles tendons are one of the big ones we often talk about, namely when it comes down to things like tendonitis. But it's something that we need to know. We'll also talk about ligaments and how that kind of all works, especially when it comes down to rolling and conditioning our bodies to make sure that we are not inflicting injury on some of these things. We'll also talk about how understanding the growth of your body as you grow older. So, foot plate fusion is a huge thing for dancers if you're going on point. We need to make sure that things like that are doctor approved and why that's so important and the impact that can have on your body. So, understanding anatomy is pretty big for us. It helps you so we're able to apply better to the movements we are doing. I will see you tomorrow as we start talking about art. I will see you then.